Hi, I'm George with Efficient AC Electric and Plumbing in Austin, Texas. Today, I'm going to talk about when to replace your AC unit, signs that it's time for an upgrade. So this topic makes me think of when my wife says the car has a little issue. I generally jump up and run to see if it's recoverable. The translation from her is, it's likely upside down, on fire, in a ditch. That's what little issue means. Seriously though, waiting until the system takes its last breath is not the most cost-effective or convenient strategy. Why? Loss of efficiency at end of life. The last couple of years of an AC unit's life are its least efficient and its most problematic. Large repair bills, especially if the machine is over 10 to 12 years old. If you have a large repair bill, say a compressor or a coil that needs to be replaced, something in the refrigeration circuit, that's several $1,000s. Do you really want to invest several $1,000s in a system that's 10, 12, or even 15 years old? You start getting into those ages and the answer should be no. You're wasting your money. Failure during a peak season. This is the convenience part. Summer in Texas. It generally means you're going to pay more for that replacement rather than doing it proactively, because there's not enough people in this industry to replace the systems and we're all running overtime. That's the main reason. It's peak time and there's more cost for HVAC contractors, so there'll be more cost to you. Availability of the best equipment choice. During the summer, availability can get scarce and you may make a compromise solution. Even though you may want these, you may not be able to get them overnight when you need your cooling back. So if you can decouple your decision for cooling versus your decision to upgrade to something more proactive, you'll do better. My goal in this video was to give you an efficient answer to your AC questions. If you have other questions, please leave them in the comments below and we'll get back to you. And if you are in Central Texas, you can call us to schedule an appointment. Bye now.